Good morning, everybody. Okay, we will wait for 2 minutes just for the others to join and then we'll start, okay? Okay, miss. So yesterday we started with a new reading lesson about the same theme as we said, which is pollution. And the lesson wasn't talking about a kind of pollution. It was talking about a day called an Earth Day, which helps people save the world, save the earth, do some activities that are beneficial to the nature in general. So this is what we were talking about yesterday. So we are going today to continue with the lesson and try to solve some of the exercises. But before, let us just remember in general what was our lecture yesterday about, and what is an Earth Day. Let me first allow you to unmute yourselves. Okay, by raising your hands, please, who can remind us what is the Earth Day? Yes, Ghadi.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
The Earth Day is a day that all people unite with each other to help the Earth from pollution.
Okay, so it's a day in which people celebrate and try to so it's a day in which people celebrate and try to save the earth based on certain activities that are done on this day. Who can remind us what are some of the activities that people do on Earth Day? Yes, Adam.
Maybe planting.
Planting, very good. Other than planting, what else can we do on Earth Day?
Cleaning the neighborhood.
Cleaning the neighborhood or cleaning any area, any land, very good. What else?
Recycling.
Yes? Recycling?
Recycling.
Yes, recycling, very good, is also one of the activities. So there are many activities that can be done on this day, and all of these activities require collaboration and teamwork. Let's go back now to the text. And remember, what did we talk about yesterday? So as we said yesterday, the title of the lesson was Earthlings Unite. Who can remind us, what did we say yesterday? What do we mean by Earthlings? What do we mean by earthlings? Yes, Tia.
Earthling is us people who live on Earth.
Yes, earthlings are the people who live on Earth. Very good. So this is what do we mean by earthling? They are the people who live on Earth. So who can remind us why was the title Earthlings Unite? What do they mean by this? What do they mean by Earthlings Unite? Yes, Leia.
Like people working together and helping the earth.
I couldn't hear anything, Leia.
Like people working together.
People working together. But why did they ask the people or the Earthlings to work together? Why?
To help earth.
Yes, so this day unites all the people together and allows all the people to, as I said, unite and work together. That's why they are asking all the earthlings and the people who live on earth to unite and work together. Yesterday, we finished paragraphs 1, 2, and 3. And today we're going to start with paragraph 4 and 5. Yes? Yeah. Celine Najderid, paragraph 4.
Miss أنا في حد يقدرش.
Can I read?
Read يا
More?
Maya.
Finally, the most important reason for celebrating Earth Day is that the holiday draws attention to urgent environmental problems on our planet. Toxic chemicals, hazardous wastes, and other pollutants are choking out air and water. Many of our fellow creatures on Earth, including some of the rarest animals and plants, may die out completely because they are losing their natural habitats. Celebration of Earth Day would help to make us all more awake of environmental problems and how we might solve them.
Okay. So we were talking about paragraph 4. So finally, the most important reason for celebrating Earth Day is that the holiday draws attention to urgent environmental problems on our planet. So this day sheds light on the urgent environmental problems. You know, there are some urgent environmental problems like global warming. This is an environmental problem and it's urgent. There are many urgent environmental problems which are which are forgotten all the year and everyone remembers them on this day. So people are trying to solve them on this day. So this is something very important because people are trying to solve all of these environmental problems on this Earth Day. Toxic chemicals, hazardous wastes, and other pollutants are choking our air and water. So all of these, what do you mean by choking out our air? What do you mean by the word choking? you know, when you're eating and then you say that like I'm choking, يعني مثل ما حدا يتشردق يغص. This is what toxic chemicals and hazardous wastes are doing to our air and water. Okay, so toxic chemicals means poisonous chemicals, and hazardous wastes, hazardous means dangerous wastes, and other pollutants are choking our air and water. Many of our fellow creatures on Earth, including some of the rarest animals. What do you mean by the rarest animals and plants? Who can tell us?
بداية السؤال.
What do you mean by the word rarest?
يعني like very weird.
Like it's known or something.
مس فينا أقول
Yes.
إنه unique.
بس يعني غريب.
No, something which is rare, it means there is no, there is not a big amount of it. Okay? نادر يعني.
يعني نادر يعني مش هيك.
Yes. Okay? So many of our fellow creatures, who are the fellow creatures? The people who what? Or the animals or plants who what?
Miss who live on Earth.
Who live together, we live together on Earth. We call them fellow creatures. Your friends in class are called fellow. Okay, your fellow friends or creatures or people, and people who work with you or live with you or study with you. Anyone that share you anything is a fellow. Okay, creatures on Earth, including some of the rarest animals and plants, may die out completely because they are losing their natural habitats. So some of these animals are losing their natural habitats due to many reasons. We talked about them yesterday, such as global warming, pollution, deforestation, natural disasters, hunting, and so on. Celebration of Earth Day would help to make us more aware of environmental problems and how we might solve them. So Earth Day as a day is, as I said, shedding light on some of the environmental problems which are very important. And he suggests some solutions on how to solve these problems. Okay? Let's continue. Paragraph 5. Yes, Abbas.
So, Earthlings, unite. We can help make a difference by celebrating Earth Day at our school. If you agree, write a letter to the school board or the administration today. All of us take life from the earth. Now let's give something back in return.
Okay. So, Earthlings unite. It means the people who live on Earth unite, cooperate, collaborate, work together. We can help make a difference by celebrating Earth Day at our school. If you agree, write a letter to the school board or the administration today. All of us take life from the earth. Now let's give something back in return. So here it's just like a piece of advice for people in order to help the earth and try to save the earth, because we are living on this earth. We are taking all of these natural resources on this earth. That's why we have to keep it clean and safe. Okay? Let's move to the exercises.
We have some exercises here. We have to choose the correct answer according to the text.
Earth Day is a day on which people show their care for our planet. People organize. We have to. Okay, just a second. Just a second, miss. Let me just share again. Okay, guys. So I want you to solve exercise A. Is it clear? I don't know. Can you see the questions, the paragraphs? Yes? Guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So you have to start doing exercise A, circling the correct answer. You need paragraph 3 and you need paragraph 2. I think they are here. Okay. In case you need anything else from the text, it's also here in front of you. Go ahead. Start.
Miss, I'm done.
Okay, guys. Okay. Let's start. Yes, Ya Abbas. Number 1, please.
According to the text, Earth Day is the day on which people show their care for our planet.
According to the text,
According to the
Day is
text,
the
Earth
day
Day
on
is a
which,
day
yes, people show
people
their,
show their care for our planet.
Okay,
A, it's A.
people organize activities to motivate teenagers. People celebrate holidays. First, of course, we cannot say they celebrate holidays because they're, of course, celebrating something. People organize activities to motivate teenagers. They do, but this is not the aim of the Earth Day. The main goal of Earth Day is that people show their care for our planet. So A is the correct answer.
Let's move to number 2. Who will do number 2? Yes, Hadil.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
What is the main idea in paragraph 3?
Read the 3 examples, yeah, Hadil, first, okay? Don't tell me.
Students and adults can work together to clean up trash, plant young trees, or learn more about recycling. Working together on Earth Day unites the community members. The society is divided.
Okay.
If we go back to
Just 1 second.
3,
if we go back to paragraph 3, we can see that even, and they said that our society is divided, but they are talking about the collaboration which happens on this day and what activities can be done on this day. So we can say the society is divided is not the main idea because he just mentioned this and moved to something else, working together on Earth. Clean up trash, plant young trees, and learn. Okay, learn more. Students and adults
light went out.
Can work together to clean up trash, plant young trees, or learn more about recycling. And I think yes, it's the first one, because this is what the paragraph 3 telling us about working together, about the activities done, and so on. Step number 3. Yes, Sabine.
Miss, can I? Mustafa, can I do number 3?
Yes, Karim, do it.
According to the text, the most essential reason to celebrate Earth Day is to work in teams, learn more about recycling, or to raise awareness of environment issues.
Okay, so according to the text, the most essential reason to celebrate Earth Day is to work in teams, learn more about recycling, to raise awareness of environmental issues. Of course, the 3 of them are correct, but the most important one is to raise awareness of environmental issues. Number 4, Serine Ftuna. Serine.
Hello?
Yes, Serine. Serine Ftuna. Yes, Gabi.
Yes,
Do number 4, please.
based on paragraph 2, a synonym of significant is important, minor, harmful.
Yes.
Insignificant.
Let's go back together to paragraph 2. They said the experience helped her understand why the skills she learns in class are significant. If we said
A.
that
Important.
these are harmful, you cannot learn any harmful skill in class. Minor means unimportant, and this shows that this word doesn't mean unimportant because these skills that she learned were very important, in which they were significant. So the correct answer is significant. A. Okay. Okay, so we have to fill in the chart with the missing information. I don't know if I can display the text. Okay, so you have to find a cause-effect relationship to these. Okay. But you need me to display the text. Let me see how. How am I going to do this type? Let me switch these. Okay. This way, I think it's clear, yes?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah,
Yes, miss.
go ahead. Done, miss? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So let's start with the first one. Human beings are using poisonous chemicals, dangerous waste, and other contaminants. What is this leading to? Nobody knows?
Yes, miss.
Necessary that you find the exact same word in the text يعني. Heidi, if you read it any word, you can tell the effect. So if humans are doing all of these, so this is leading to the polluting the earth, polluting the marine, and so on. Some rare species of plants and animals may become extinct due to what? What is the cause?
Pollution.
Miss, they are losing their natural habitat.
They're losing their natural habitats. Thank you. Okay, enough for today. Let me just tell you something concerning the listening test. هلا أنا حابعت اللينك على الواتساب جروب اللي قلنا تاعت students group. Okay, لينك الإكزام. Okay, في فيديو. هو مش فيديو، هو it's just a record يعني. Okay, record بس على طريقة فيديو. يعني كيف أنا بسجل اللكتشر؟ كيف اللكتشر فيديو؟ نفس الشيء. A video. You listen to the audio, you answer the questions. Listen to the audio, answer the questions. That's it. Okay? Very easy, يعني. Very simple. So I will open the quiz at 1, so you can start at 1 and you have only 24 hours. يعني بكرة الساعة 1 ما حدا يقول لي I didn't do the quiz. لأنه نحن this week we have to finish all the grades and it's the last week in the semester. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
Miss, this semester ما حنعمل امتحانات إنه نص السنة or just the grades of the quizzes?
I have no idea actually. يعني till now only quizzes.
Okay.
Okay, so you may leave now. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Miss. Bye. Miss, at what time will you open the quiz?
Bye, miss.
What?
Thank you.
At what time will you open the quiz?
At 1.
Okay. Bye, Miss.